Follow me. Hello, guys. So Michael is actually at the track. He has some friends he met over there. And he's going to let his car get into a sandstorm. Whoa. So, guys, you can see the car is in the sand. Don't throw it too high. Don't throw it too high. As you can see, the car is in the sandstorm. And it's a lot of sand everywhere, guys. There was a crazy sandstorm. And the Lamborghini is trying to survive the sandstorm. Will it get out? We don't know, guys. Let us know. Do you think the Lamborghini is going to survive the sandstorm?
No, it's not. It's already been covered with sand.
It's already been covered with sand. So it's going to be hard underneath there. And if it rains, it'll come out. And it'll turn to mud. It'll be a mud car. Okay, now try to get it out the sandstorm.
The Lamborghini got out.
Oh, yeah, it got out. Great. Okay, now.
All right, Simon tried to get out of it. Oh. Lamborghini. Wow.
His mommy is calling him. The little boy's mommy is calling him over there. And now he has to go, guys. He's on his bike. He's pushing his bike. And Michael is actually cleaning out the sand out of his car.
Yeah, the sand has to be cleaned out.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So you've seen the sandstorm, guys. All right. Bye, guys.
Oh, that's a cool jump there.
Okay.
Let's do the real jump. I saw a jump here.
Hey, you should let it go on the off-road thing right here.
Off-road?
Right here on the off-road thing.
All right, here we go.
Okay. Ready, set, go.
Whoa!
Yeah, that was crazy, guys.
It went even sideways.
Yep. Okay. Bye, guys.